Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Tufail Ahmed from Anaikar Oriental Arabic Higher Secondary School. 52 marks question and answers in social science for slow learners. Name the two countries in the triple entente: Britain, France, and Russia. What were the three militant forms of nationalism in Europe? England's Jingoism, France Chauvinism, and Germany's Kultur. What was the result of Mussolini's march on Rome? The king invited Mussolini to form a government. Define dollar imperialism. The policy of USA in maintaining and dominating over distance lands through economic aid. Who the prominent dictators of the post-World War I? Italy's Mussolini, Germany's Hitler, and Spain's Franco. What are the objectives of IMF? The foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, and promote economic growth. What was Marshall Plan? The plans sought to help countries of Europe with American dollars. List the social evils eradicated by Brahma Samaj: Sati, child marriage, and polygamy. Why was Simon Commission boycotted? The Simon Commission was an all-white commission with no Indian members. What were the duties of the Palaikars? Collect revenue, administer the territory, settle disputes, and maintain law and order. What do you mean by drain of wealth? The colonial economy was a country's transfer of resources from India to Britain. Describe the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In 1919, the Anti-Rowlatt Act protested by Dr. Saifuddin Kichli and Dr. Satyapal. So they arrested people against their arrest and arranged a public meeting at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. General Dyer with his troops and opened fire on people without any warning, and 379 were killed and more than 1,000 injured. Mention the various measures introduced by the Justice Ministry. Introduced reservation of appointments in local bodies and education institutions, established the staff selection board which later became the Public Service Commission, abolished Devadasi system in Tamil Nadu. What do you know of Cheran Mahadevi Gurukulam incident? V.V. Subramaniam established a Gurukulam at Cheran Mahadevi. In this Gurukulam, discriminated on the basis of caste non-Brahmins students and made to dine separately. E.V. Ramasamy in 1925. He questioned the practice and severely criticized it. Estimate Periyar as a feminist. He condemned child marriage and the Devadasi system. Periyar emphasized on women's right to divorce and property. Periyar objected to terms like giving in marriage. Periyar believed that property rights for women would provide them a social status and protection. State the west flowing rivers of India: Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, Sabarmati. Name the four distinct seasons of India. Winter seasons January to February, summer seasons March to May, southwest monsoon June to September, northeast monsoon October to December. Name the areas which receives heavy rainfall. Western coast Assam, South Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. Name the trees of tropical evergreen forest: rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, palm, and ironwood trees. What is the Project Tiger? Project Tiger launched April 1973 to conserve tiger population. Define soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface. It is composed of minerals. Mention the plantation crops of India: tea, coffee, and rubber. What do you mean by livestock? Cattle, goats, buffaloes, sheep, and pigs. What is natural gas? Natural gas occurring hydrocarbon gas mixture consisting primarily of methane. Name the different types of coal with their carbon content. Anthracite 80 to 90% carbon. Bituminous 60 to 80% carbon. Lignite 40 to 60% carbon. Peat 40% carbon. What is migration? State its types. The movements of people across regions and territories. Internal migration, international migration. What is communication? What are its types? Communication is a process that involves exchange of information, thoughts, and ideas. It is personal and mass communications. Define international trade. Trade carried on between two or more countries. List out the airports and seaports of Tamil Nadu. Airports: Chennai, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore. Seaports: Chennai, Ennore, Tuticorin. Explain the cropping seasons of Tamil Nadu. Sornavari, Chittirai, April to September. Samba, Adi, July to February. Navarai, November to March. What is Teri? The sand dunes formed along the coast of Ramanathapuram and Thuthukudi. State the boundaries of Tamil Nadu. East Bay of Bengal, West Kerala, North Andhra Pradesh, Northwest Karnataka, South Indian Ocean. What is meant by citizenship? The word citizen is derived from the Latin terms civis. It means resident of a city-state. How many types of fundamental rights are listed by the Indian Constitution? There are 6 fundamental rights, part 3 of the Constitution. What are the different categories of ministers at the union level? Cabinet ministers, ministers of state, and deputy ministers. Name the architects of the non-aligned movement. Jawaharlal Nehru, Tito, Nasser, Sukarno, and Quam. List out the number of countries of SAARC. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Name the neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Maldives, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Mention the member of countries of BRICS. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Define tax. A compulsory contribution from a person to the government. Write short notes on goods and service tax. Tax levied when a consumer buys a good or service. Write a short note on purchasing power. The value of a currency expressed in terms of the amount of goods or service that one unit of money can buy. What is globalization? Globalization is the integration of a country with the world economy. Write the types of globalization: archaic, proto, and modern globalization. Define national income. A measure of the total value of goods and service produced by any economy a year. What is money bill? Money bill covers income and expenditure of the government and connected with tax. What is meant by black money? Funds earned on the black market. Taxes have not been paid. What is meant by GDP? The GDP is the market value of all the final goods and services produced in the country during a time period. What is per capita income? Dividing the national income by the population of a country. Per capita income is equal to national income divided by total number of population. Thanks for watching. Prepared by M. Tufail Ahmed, BT Assistant, Anekar Oriental Arabic Higher Secondary School, Ambur. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.